Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Modular style house design refers to a construction process where a home is built in sections, known as modules, within a controlled factory environment. Unlike traditional site-built homes, these modules are constructed away from the final property and then transported to the building site. Once they arrive, they are assembled by a crane and joined together by professionals to create a seamless, permanent structure. While modular describes the method of building, the style can range from ultra-modern minimalist boxes to traditional farmhouse aesthetics, offering a versatile approach to high-quality residential architecture. Choosing a modular style house design offers a multitude of benefits, primarily centered around efficiency and quality control. Because the modules are built indoors, the construction process is never delayed by rain, snow, or extreme temperatures, leading to significantly faster completion times, often weeks instead of months. Furthermore, factory construction allows for much tighter quality standards and more precise measurements than site-built homes. From a sustainability standpoint, modular homes are incredibly eco-friendly. The factory setting drastically reduces material waste, and the structures are often engineered to be more airtight and energy efficient, saving you money on utility bills in the long run. Decorating the exterior of a modular home to look sophisticated involves focusing on texture and lighting to break up the clean lines of the modules. One of the best ways to enhance curb appeal is through the use of mixed materials. Consider combining sleek metal panels with warm wood siding or natural stone accents to create visual depth and a custom-built feel. Large format windows are essential, as they provide a high-end look while flooding the interior with natural light. Additionally, focus on the connective tissue of the exterior, such as expansive wooden decks, pergolas, and integrated planters, which help anchor the home to its natural surroundings and provide a seamless transition between the structure and the landscape. When it comes to modular housing, the most successful styles often lean into the geometric strengths of the building method. The modern industrial style is a fan favorite, utilizing exposed steel beams, flat roofs, and neutral color palettes to create a bold, urban look. For those who prefer a softer touch, the japandi or Scandinavian styles are perfect, emphasizing light-colored woods, minimalist silhouettes, and a strong connection to nature. Modular construction also excels in the prefab cabin or modern farmhouse categories, where gabled roofs and vertical board and batten siding provide a timeless appeal while maintaining the structural integrity and efficiency of factory-made modules. Now, let's look at the top 10 best modular style house design ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible designs ideas. One, the warm timber cantilever. This stunning modular design showcases how wood can soften modern architecture. The home features a beautiful cantilevered upper floor that provides shade to the deck below, with large glass walls that blur the line between the cozy, book-filled interior and the lush lawn outside. 2. The multi-textured luxury retreat. A masterclass in mixing materials, this design utilizes stacked stone pillars alongside smooth concrete walls and rich wood ceilings. The integrated outdoor bar and kitchen area demonstrate how modular units can be configured to create the ultimate entertainment space. 3. Two-story stone and glass marble. This modular home emphasizes verticality and light. By combining a heavy stone-cladded ground floor with a light, glass-heavy second story, The design feels grounded yet airy, featuring a spacious balcony that offers a perfect vantage point for sunset views. 4. The symmetrical coastal twin peak. Perfect for scenic landscapes, this design features two identical gabled modules connected by a central glass entryway. The dark charcoal siding creates a dramatic silhouette against the sky, while the floor-to-ceiling windows provide unobstructed views from the bedroom and living areas. 5. High-contrast modern geometric. This design plays with shadow and light through the use of a deep overhang and integrated slatted screens. The stark white facade contrasted against the dark wood garage door creates a sophisticated, gallery-like appearance that stands out in any neighborhood. 6. The modernized classic farmhouse. Modular construction isn't just for boxes. This home proves that traditional shapes can be built with factory precision. With its clean white siding, wraparound porch, and steep gables, it offers all the charm of a country home with modern efficiency. 7. Sleek flat roof container concept. This design highlights the beauty of simplicity. The combination of black corrugated metal and vertical wood slats gives this modular home a rugged yet refined look, while the expansive floating deck creates a massive outdoor living area perfect for off-grid living. 8. Elevated urban wood box. Built on a slope, this modular home uses its height to its advantage. The upper module is cladded in dark metal for a sleek look, while the lower section features warm horizontal wood planks, creating a beautiful contrast that mimics the surrounding hillside. 9. The dramatic A-frame fusion. This unique modular design combines a steep gabled roofline with a modern minimalist extension. The contrast between the stark white walls and the black roof, along with the vertical wooden slats in the gable, makes for an architectural statement that is both cozy and cutting edge. 10. The transparent pavilion house. This design prioritizes transparency, featuring massive sliding glass doors that run the length of the module. The white frame and light wood accents give it a clean, breezy feel, making it an ideal choice for a modern family home in a suburban setting. Modular style house design is no longer just a trend. It is a smarter, faster, and more sustainable way to build the home of your dreams without sacrificing style or luxury. Whether you are drawn to the rugged beauty of industrial metal or the warmth of traditional timber, modularity offers the flexibility to create a space that is uniquely yours. As construction technology continues to evolve, these homes are setting the standard for what modern living should look like: efficient, beautiful, and built to last. If you enjoyed exploring these modular home designs today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which of these top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest trends in modern home design and construction. Thanks for watching.